It is 1 o'clock in the morning. I am in Mill Park, which is a big no-no. There's some kind of weird weather going on over there. Almost looked like lightning. Yeah, high altitude lightning over there. But something weird is going on over here too. There seems to be some kind of weird, almost like light. Like a persistent light up in the sky. It's like not dark. Now, what I'm doing right now is technically illegal because the park is closed. But see, the thing is that to actually be confronted by the police, they would have to come all the way down here, which I would be able to see them. The only reason why I'm coming all the way down here is because this is the only place that has picnic tables all the time. Because this game thing, they own this part of the park, and the reason why the park takes away the picnic tables for certain days. So even if the cops went past, the cops have to come up this street, come up the access road. So I'd be long gone before they got here. But there is some high altitude thunder and lightning going on, or just lightning. Don't hear any thunder. It's definitely not reading in the camera though. That might have. Alright, well.